Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India. Follow me on Instagram, SSHELLS Shells Running. Let's start with the reading. Though these are going to be timeless, but I'm putting out the date, okay? And this one card flipped. Putting out the date, this is going to be right from 5th of July till 11th of July, though timeless, okay? Whenever it resonates with you. There is this journey that is calling you, okay? And there's also a little bit of confusion regarding certain decision in your life, which may be, should I take this journey or not? Now this journey may be the literal journey, okay? Or this may be certain decision in the midst of two. Now two may be places, two may be job, two may be anything that is like in your present or distant or recent past. And that's why you are thinking about, oh, what should I do? Then I heard, while I was meditating for you, I heard the the word, sorry, not the letter. I heard quiver, Q-U-I-V-E-R. And to me, it is trying to tell you, the meaning you can check by yourself, but it's something connected with excitement. It's also something like shake, okay? Slightly shaking, kind of like out of rage or excitement. You may check, it's available on Google, obviously. Everything is there. However, there is something that you don't know whether you should do or not, and how you should do, because you want to do, okay? Now, this is about the journey. Again, you have this one card that flipped. This is your card, and I kind of got the message of, or getting the message of like having a little bit of like this 50-50, okay? This is your own card though, but it kind of flipped like this, but not exactly, so it turned up like this again. I have weird way of giving the messages. So you have King of Wands energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius vibe, and this is the bear. The bear is a sign of speculations, successful speculations. However, I feel this is about to do or not to do. Again, you might be having a little bit of shake up in your life regarding something. You're waking up from something, okay? Wake up from something means what you were thinking is not exactly, or you are going to do something that you were not thinking, okay? So this goes with your intuition and gut feeling, what it is exactly. In this time frame, however, you're coming out of your hibernation. You are waking up, you are active, and this active, you being active or energetic regarding something is going to make whole new sense on your journey. So be prepared for something, I think. And okay, someone might be telling you that I think we should, I think we should take this journey, I think we should call, I think we should, those types of talks. Does that make sense to you? If it does, go with the flow. However, I was just building up my and shuffling my own deck that I made, and you have bottom energy as clouds. Something that is not clear to you possible right now, or you might feel like when it's going to rain, I'm going to make a move, but it's not raining. The clouds are giving you that sign, but it's not raining. However, these two cards are coming here. No, two. You have on hold. Something is on hold, so maybe decision. Something's still stuck. But this quiver word is definitely coming, okay? And this quiver might be, how should I approach? How should I start? How should I decide? How should I overcome my whatever you have, okay? On hold and watching you. I kind of, when I saw this watching you, kind of gave me the feeling of missing you, okay? I do have this card of missing you in my deck, but it's not yet out. But you have watching you and on hold. Something is on hold, and maybe you're watching or someone is watching you, or something is on hold here regarding decision, okay? Possible you people watching each other, if it is about two energies involved, relationship, okay? What's coming, what is coming in your future? Something is giving you that excitement. It's a mix of rage, excitement, and you're like, it's like in Hindi it is known as thar tharana, which means shivering up, okay? Slight shiver. So basically something is making you feel like, ooh, maybe because of someone's presence or something else. Let's see what's coming in your future. Something is coming in your future which is connected with river flows. It's kind of like a love story, emotions flowing here. Whatever was stuck is not going to be stuck anymore. Something is on hold, watching you, and it will take a flow of river flows. And you have a heart here. You have umbrella. Makes sense? Because I just said that you are saying that let the rainfall happen and then I'm going to move. So they are trying to give you certain kind of guidance here. I feel Leos should take this, umbrella and go in the rainfall. Go in the rain, it doesn't matter. You have the umbrella, this will protect you. Of course, we are making sense here of emotions, okay? And the rainfall will be so much that it feels like river flowing, okay? Maybe literally somewhere happening. Checking status. Someone is unable to stop themselves to check the status online. And this river flows and umbrella is so protective conversation, I feel. Deep, heart to heart, deep, and yes, of course, checking status. Someone is writing for you or you are writing for someone. Messenger can't stop. So in your future, you're going to have river flows, umbrella, and checking status. Goes side by side. Some of you are getting involved too much. So this journey will take place, I do feel. Someone is cracking up here. Basically awakening, or kind of like, oh my God, I like him. Oh my God, I love him. Oh my God, I like her or love her, however. Fixations, I don't want to. Let's see from Rider, what is your overall energy in this time frame? For me, this is heart energy, heart vibe, okay? But just to explain you, if you're new to the channel. Okay, you have this card, it's in good position. You're removing the lies, deceptions, cheat, betrayal, every layer is out. But you have the card Three of Swords, reversed. Good. You're coming out of deception, cheat, betrayal, lies, everything. Or you're coming out of certain kind of misunderstanding here. You're healing. You're good. You're good in this position. You are in the position to make decision. And this is also a little bit of possible rage also. Because quiver does go with that. Or excitement. Excitement about decision. Excitement about certain relationship here. Something is... It's a shiver love. It's a love. It's a love. I feel there is a desperation that someone does want to say something. Now, someone is single here, free from... I'm also picking the word nostalgia. Anyways, free from something, from past relationship. Three of Swords, you're out, you're healed. No linger on situations, or you are in the position to make certain decision regarding past, or it's just about, you know, Six of Cups, resurgence and all that stuff. But Nine of Pentacles, you're free from that drama for many of you. But it's also something that will give you that shiver and excitement, because this may be the long lane or the decision between Two of Wands, the journey that you're about to take regarding certain relationship also. So basically, when you are ready, you can move. So some of you are coming from that place. Some of you are single and ready to possible get into something, because now you're almost healed. I'm just keeping things to the point here. I can go deep with that also, but right now they're trying to tell me that you need to focus on the now. Okay? It's also about your reflection time, and I kind of feel like a renovation time, especially with this Nine of Pentacles. You're by yourself, but it doesn't mean that you are lonely. It just means that you're confident enough to be by yourself, because you're free from something, free from drama and everything. But quiver is a call of like possible resurgence. This may call quiver a little bit of, but also it is something that you might be feeling like, I'm free. But the Six of Cups, renovation is coming in your life and possible new lane, okay? You're free. Zero the Fool energy, there's new beginning. Let's see in your future. There's a big transition happening. Possible there's a Scorpio involved. If not, this is death. It's basically the end that you never want to visit of you. Something that you don't want to see because you're done with that. Closing the chapter here. But this is also the beginning, because something will end and then something will begin of you, right? So death. Let's see what's beyond. There may be something that you are starting with the Scorpio also. Not necessarily though, okay? You have a move. There may be Leo. You are having a lot of courage, or you are gathering a lot of courage to make this move. And that's why you're like, and you're making move. Let's see what's beyond. So for some of you, you're going to travel. Some of you are having an unexpected startups and unexpected endings as well. Some of you are coming out of that drama, something that I talked about, crap, okay? There's a new beginning as well. It's kind of like transitioning into new phase, new love. This may, again, you might be dealing with someone from the past here, Six of Cups energy, someone who is checking that, but you don't want to go, because Three of Swords is reversed, which means possible now you're ready to handle something, but almost it is the stage of like someone who does bounce back at times in this time frame when it doesn't make sense and you're making a move here and someone is suddenly waking up and they're like, I'm out of hibernation. If it's not you, it's the other energy. And if they are, then what they are doing here, okay, you were good single if it was that situation. However, there is possible an apology coming. Maybe this is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. You have a Scorpio. Someone is sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, this may give you a little bit of shiver up. This may be something new. I heard, for God's sake, listen to me. Okay, there's a pickup energy in your life. Maybe the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or anyone here, but you're walking away from someone definitely. There's this pickup energy you're focusing on right now. It's going to be something stable that is going to be consistent in the coming time. Definitely you're making way out of something that doesn't make sense. Let's see on Three of Swords. So I call my kind of like, what's that, clarification cards as connecting cards, okay? On Three of Swords, it's like emotional healing, definitely. Maybe Piscean involved, but this is a high time emotional healing. It's like coming out of dualities and everything, the bark that was left, conversations, it's all done. Okay, you don't need, I feel like you're in the position that you no longer need any explanations or clarifications here. Okay, this is the card that is telling that karmic cycle is over and you are getting healed. Obviously it's taking time, it's a major card, but then again it's the call of like you making definite moves in your life. You are mum about those things. I feel like you don't want to be there. It's going to be like while you cry, while you have tears, you also have that shiver, like you shiver, and if there is no one to hold you here, okay, and you are by yourself, and that's what I see. But by yourself is confident by yourself. So you're basically working on your emotions, not to cry, and actually you are also having that dramatic eyes here. Why I'm saying that is like I'm not going to cry in front of anyone. I'm strong, okay, and we all do at times. That's so true. We all do, but your focus is on your own emotions. Yes, again, whatever will happen, you just let me know in the comment section if you want to. But this Knight of Pentacles is your call of the startup of something fresh, right? Possible from the scratch. So let's see from Lightseer's Tarot. I feel like it's going to be too late for the person. I feel when they're going to return, some of you will be hearing from them, but it's going to be too emotional and too dramatic that you don't want. Like you waited quite a long time here. Seven of Pentacles energy. This is also the time and patience you kept here, but you learned also some things here, okay, that like you were taking care of your own growth. When you had tears, when you were emotional, obviously someone cared less here. No, but it's Lovers. Maybe you dealt with Gemini. Supposedly it's coming back. Something is coming back. I feel some of you are feeling disappointed with someone, some talks, some discussions in your life. Now again, this may be with the person you are, the partner or ex, however. But apart from that, this is also people or energies connected with you via work or other sources. It's quite a dual state as well. It's also something that you don't approve. It's also something disheartening here. But you need to take this decision or journey here, which you're going to. It's also your free approach to settle things connected with your relationships or your family. To end the things those are meant to begin and to apologize for the things you really need to. Or goes vice versa. Again, death and rebirth. This card is amazing. Like when you see in the standard, like right away, it's a death and it's a walkthrough. But this is death and rebirth. Of course, when something dies, it will take the place of something new. And you're going to realize later on, okay, something happened. So death and rebirth is definitely here. What is from spirit world? That is the call. Look, what is from spirit world, and you have twice Knight of Pentacles. It's a pickup energy for me. It's something consistent. It's like I'm going to focus on my ways, and I'm going to focus on my pathway and my decisions. You are leaving that trail of optimism behind you, and the work that you're putting on and focusing on that. You're going to a little bit shake up or shake, but you're going to go ahead good. That's your energy, whether it's relationship or work or your life as in general, like as an individual. Look at these cards together. So you can take break, you can come down and you can walk on the greenery, or you can just take a halt somewhere. Many of you are just not interested in visiting or thinking something that is connected with deception or anything that you don't approve. Basically, your move is assured. Possible something new, wise decision as well, but the Chariot, Cancerian. But apart from that, this is your move. I feel like it's something is unstoppable in your life, whether it's new connection, new work, new job, travel, anything, but you are on the go. You're looking forward for your dreams and desires here. 3 of Wands, like I'm gonna surf, okay, but there are no waves, but I'm gonna surf. I'm going to try. Some of you are literally going possible on this kind of things, surfing and all this stuff. You're in water and you might feel the shiver, okay, but you'll be okay. Okay, take care guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye.